You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is t equals 5/3. Let's solve it step by step. Group all t terms on the left side of the equation. Subtract 7t from both sides. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Add 19 to both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the t. Divide both sides by 3. Simplify the fraction. And so the final result is t equals 5/3.